or you're going out, you just want to be looking bougie. These glasses comes with an attitude. I'm not even joking with you guys. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your baby girl again, MonnyLagos, and I'm here with another exciting video. You know the vibe already. If this is your first time stopping by, my name is Moninola. Make sure to subscribe before you leave. And if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back to the channel. You guys, we're doing something that is not new to you guys here on the channel. Today, I'm going to be unboxing really quickly. A brand called FASHIONKICKS reached out to me and they wanted to send me some items for me to review here on my channel and also show you guys so that you guys can, shop from them if you want to shop luxury items on a budget. And I just thought to come here and show you guys the items one by one. As you already know, I'll pick these items and forget, like, just because, I mean, I don't want to be bothered with thinking about what a brand is sending to me. And most brands will just reach out to you. They make you go through all of the stress and they will not just reply you anymore. And I can't be bothered as it is. I'm a baby girl. I shouldn't be stressed, should I? Anywho, they sent me four or three items. They sent me four items which are here right now. And I'm going to be showing you guys all these items one by one. I'll probably try on the ones I can try on, and the ones I cannot try on, I'm just going to show you guys. So without wasting so much time, we're going to get right into the video. Before I show you guys these items, the links to order them are in my description box. Make sure to check them out and order it. I also have a discount code that will be showing on the screen right now. So do not forget to use my discount code when you're ordering so that you get some catching of your money or the total amount of money you're using to order. So the first thing that was sent was this Givenchy what's it called, sunglasses. Is this some shades try, you guys? But anyways, yeah, opening it comes in this white pack. Opening it has the glasses kits in it. Not looking bad. And okay, this is the glass cleaner, of course, which is inside, and the shades itself. This packaging stuff. So let us see. Right, it's just a very cute glasses, and I think that mean, you guys, this is that don't talk to me. I love it. Can you guys see what I'm saying? This is that don't talk to me vibe in the club, you know what I mean? Or you're going out, you just want to be looking bougie. These glasses comes with an attitude. I'm not even joking with you guys. Anyways, this is the first item. And obviously, like I said, the link is in the description, so make sure to check it out. But it looks nice and it looks solid, like it feels solid also. But anyways, don't follow. This is it, and yeah, not bad at all, not bad at all. Just going to put this right here. Ew, don't break. Cool. Go on to the next item. The next item is this supposed to be a Chanel item. Opening it up, this is what it looks like. Oh yeah, it's a face cap, you guys. Another face cap added to my collection. I like face caps. It's not like, I just love how, they make you can't be stressed about your hair. You cannot, just wear a face cap. But me, I love face caps, and right, looking like it would be bigger than my head. You guys, if this thing fits perfectly, then I have a big head. I'm going to accept that I have a big head. But let's go. Ooh, you guys, I love it. I really love this face cap. You guys, what do you think? I really love the face cap actually. So this is the second item on just cut my right. So this is the second item, and it's a face cap. It's a very cute one, as you guys already see. And obviously it's one item that I'm going to wear a lot because I wear face caps a lot. Just going to put this down here. The next item is this LV. I think it's a shoe. So opening it up. Right, so you guys, opening it up, there's a shoe in it. There are two pairs, obviously, but I'm going to be showing you one. It's actually a boot. Right, I remember ordering this. It's almost winter time, and every girl needs that one black cute boot that will go with everything. So I just decided to pick this one. It looks really nice. It has the buckle thing going on here, and yeah, you guys, it's going to be giving me that Babbage vibe. You know what I mean? But I love it. I like how it looks like. It's not, and it doesn't feel like it's going to be heavy on the leg and all of that. So yeah, this one is definitely a keeper. I love it. And this buckle thing is giving me, and the whole brown going on here, so you can rock it with brown and black. It's obviously, I'll just show you guys the two pairs just for the sake of showing you. Right. Yeah, this is what it looks like. Loving the vibe. Yeah. So that is the second one, and I think rather sorry, I said that was second one. That's the third one actually. And the last item here is also a shoe from sorry. It's also a shoe from LV. Opening it up definitely. It even comes with a bag, like there's a bag in it, which is nice. Oh, it's this blue shoe, you guys. So fun fact is I've been wanting to I've been liking this shoe for a while because I've seen it, on the internet. And I don't know, it just looks really cute. It just looks really cute. But yeah, this is it. This is the LV sneakers. I don't know which one is this. You know how people say, "Oh, this is the LV, this da 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 da." I don't know. But it looks nice and I love it. And that's the only reason why I picked it. Why now looking at the blue, I don't know why I picked blue to be honest, because it's very bright, but we'll make it work. Yeah. So both of them. Right. This how this the left and right leg now. This banana leg, right? So this is the shoe. I think it looks really nice to be honest, and I think that's something I'll be happy to wear. It's just the color that might, I don't know why I picked this color to be honest, because now looking at it is like in your face. But yeah, we'll make it work like I said, regardless. So yeah, so those are all the items I got from Fashion Kicks. Make sure to check them out. Like I said before, the link is in my description box. Do not forget to use my discount code so that you can get some discounts off your what's it called, your order. And it's really easy and simple to order from their website. All you need to do is go to the website. You see on the website the ones that are available, the ones that are out of stock, and you also see when you order how many days it will take for your delivery to get to you, just so you're not anxious or you're not thinking, oh, you're supposed to get this delivery today, you're not getting it today. You get what I mean? So it's quite easy, very seamless, and I hope you guys start ordering and enjoying lovely things that they have on their website. Thank you guys so much for watching the videos today. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to share the video with your friends. If you have friends that like to, look good, because I mean, we all know that looking good is what good business. So yeah, make sure to share my video with your friends, and till I see you again in my next one, babies, take care of yourselves, take care of you, and have fun. Bye.